In this video, I'm going to show you how to make ElevenLabs whisper, using a simple technique that can make your voice output sound much more intimate, secretive, or dramatic. This is perfect if you want your AI voice to sound like it's sharing a confidential message, telling a spooky story, or adding extra emotion to a scene. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy AI voice guides. Alright, let's jump in. The key to getting a whisper effect in ElevenLabs is to use emotion tags. These tags help guide the AI's delivery, so instead of sounding flat or neutral, the voice can sound like it's whispering in a very specific mood. To do this, you'll place whisper instructions inside brackets at the beginning of your text. For example, you can write, and then continue with your sentence. This tells a model to deliver the line in a whisper-like tone. But you can take it a step further by combining whispering with another emotional tag in separate brackets. For example, you might use, or you could use, if you want it to feel secretive but intense. This is really useful because whispering alone can sometimes sound too plain, while adding a second tag gives the delivery more character and control. When you're writing your script, place the tags before the line you want spoken, and keep the wording simple and natural. For example, instead of just writing a normal sentence, try something like, "Don't look behind you." That kind of formatting can help ElevenLabs interpret the style you want much more effectively. If the result sounds too soft, too dramatic, or not quite right, just change the second emotion tag and test it again. You can experiment with tags like, depending on the tone you want, the more you test different combinations, the easier it becomes to shape the exact delivery you need. This is especially helpful for storytelling, horror content, cinematic narration, roleplay audio, and any situation where a normal speaking voice just doesn't fit. Another helpful tip is to keep your whisper lines short and focused. Whispered speech usually works better when it feels intentional and direct, so avoid making the sentence too long if you want the effect to stay strong. Short lines often sound more believable and more immersive. So to quickly recap, if you want to make ElevenLabs whisper, use a whisper tag like, and if needed, combine it with a second emotional tag in its own brackets to refine the delivery. Then test, adjust, and repeat until it sounds the way you want. If you found this helpful, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more AI voice tutorials, prompt tips, and creator workflows. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.